National Cable's industry is one of the largest manufacturing companies in the UAE. The company was established to act as a partner in the role of construction and development by supplying domestic and worldwide needs for wires and cables. National Cables is growing in line with the UAE government policy of diversification into manufacturing. The company is also being developed in line with the latest trends in manufacturing and cable technology. The facilities at National Cables comprises of several buildings and departments which are integrated to work smoothly in serving the customer. Starting from the general administration through the factory, the stores, up to the accommodation of staff. This large establishment produces all kinds of cables of different gauge and usage with the aid of the latest and best industrial technologies available worldwide. National Cables utilises the internationally approved quality standards and internationally recognised specifications to achieve its goals under the slogan, Commitment to Quality. The initial annual production capacity of the factory is 45,000 tonnes of copper and 20,000 tonnes of aluminium. National Cables industry produces a complete series of multi-purpose electrical cables of different gauges and voltages. In addition, National Cables industry produces high-tension transmission conductors of unique quality. The use of first-class raw materials, highly productive machines, and precise quality assurance tools through all the production processes assures the achievement and maintenance of internationally accepted standards. The company runs regular tests as per IEC or British standards to ensure the reliability and performance of all its products. National Cables industry invested in Enterprise Resource Planning System Band 4 so that all the company operations are linked for better accuracy, effectiveness and efficiency to best serve the needs of our customers. Low voltage power cables 0.6/1 kV, copper or aluminium, single and multi-core, PVC and XLPE, insulated, armoured and unarmoured, and PVC sheathed. Medium voltage cables from 6 to 45 kV, copper or aluminium, single and 3-core, armoured and unarmoured. Overhead conductors including bare and insulated hard-drawn copper, all aluminium bare and insulated conductors, aluminium alloy, AAAC, aluminium conductors steel reinforced, ACSR, aluminium alloy conductors steel reinforced, AACSR, aluminium conductors aluminium clad steel reinforced, ACSR/AW. Wires and wiring cables including 450 to 750 volts single core copper conductor PVC insulated, 300 to 500 volts multi-core copper conductor PVC insulated and sheathed. Flat cables with or without earth continuity conductor. Single core and twisted twin PVC insulated non-sheathed for internal wiring. THHN, THWN, TFFN wires and nylon jacket. High voltage power cables up to 240 kV, copper or aluminium, various sizes, XLPE insulated, armoured or unarmoured. In addition, the company is planning to introduce new products like communication cables, computer cables and other specialised cables. In its manufacturing strategy, National Cables has adopted the principle of always putting quality first. The best technologies and highly qualified skilled personnel are combined to achieve this goal of always putting quality first. The production process of cables is divided into several stages. Drawing. During this process, high-quality copper or aluminium is reduced in size through a series of processes. The gauge of copper or aluminium is reduced from 8 or 9.5 mm to the sizes required, which ranges from 0.25mm for copper and 1.75mm for aluminium. Stranding. Conductors are formed here from drawn wires by stranding. This follows a complicated engineering process that provides conductors of the best quality. Insulation. The most frequently used insulation materials are PVC and XLPE. National Cables give priority to PVC because it is a locally produced resource. Assembly. During this process, many insulated conductors of different colours are laid up together following internationally accepted specifications. Armouring. Cables are armoured to give the required mechanical protection. For this purpose, National Cables uses the latest proven technological systems. Outer sheathing. PVC or PE materials are used to apply outer sheathing to cables with different thicknesses following the international standards in this regard. The unit used for this process at National Cables utilises highly sensitive equipment to ensure quality standards and safety measures are maintained. CCV line, Catenary Continuous Vulcanizing Line. This line is one of the most developed production lines throughout the world. The line produces both high and medium voltage cables, and National Cables is unique in its manufacturing of high voltage cables in a range of up to 240 kV. This process is highly complicated, where the conductor is dressed with 3 layers, including conductor screen, insulation and insulation screen. These materials are applied using the triple crosshead along with the best quality raw materials and meeting very strict cleanliness standards. The plant is equipped with a computerized system working round the clock to evaluate and check quality standards as part of National Cables' quality assurance measures. Commitment to quality. National Cables personnel prided themselves in being high achievers, striving always to be the best and being the pioneers in the field of cable manufacturing in the Middle East. National Cables industry has obtained the quality certificate ISO 9001-2000. The company also has been awarded the quality test certificate from BSI and KEMA for its various cable products. Commitment to quality is the slogan of National Cables industry that it endeavours to sustain by applying restrictive measures of quality at all levels of production, starting from the testing of materials through to the final product. The production line is equipped with computerized sensors to test quality at all levels in order to give a final product fit for purpose. National Cables industry was established to be one of the pioneer companies in terms of productivity and quality for cables. To be that, the factory is furnished with the best machinery, equipment and technological facilities, together with the specialised skills and expertise in the field, so as to realise the ambitious goals and plans of the company to be seen as the best by its customers in the region. Recruiting, training and development of people comes under the control of the Human Resources Department, who use best practices to keep National Cables as a leader in the field of cable manufacturing. National Cables recognise the importance of everyone having the opportunity to participate in the company's programme of Investors in People. The technical department is also linked to international companies, so that National Cables continues to acquire the latest development in the field of cable manufacturing and to benefit from their experience and to be up to date in processes and systems in this rapidly developing world. This department aims to improve and develop the products according to the results of local and international research and studies. The department also works on products to assure compatibility with GCC requirements and other environments. Also, an important role of the department is the assistance it gives in finding better production methods and materials of local source to increase quality, reduce cost and at the same time encourage the use of local products. In the continuation of the manufacturing strategy of National Cables to put quality first, the company has established a modern laboratory to test raw materials at different stages in the production process and to assure products' compatibility to internationally accepted standards. The department also tests the products at different stages before finally assuring the finished product quality. National Cable's industry is aiming to be among the best as a national figure, contributing to development of the nation by developing national human skills and local resources. The prosperity of National Cable's industry in the international market depends on adopting best practices and the highest quality standards to stay at the top in the field of cable manufacturing.